Today I'm going to be making hot pressed carrot oil. The recipe to the hot press method is right on my description box. So here I have some fresh carrots unwashed. Now we're not going to peel off the skin of the carrots because we would want everything to be embedded in the oil. So this means that we're going to wash this very well. So I'm just going to wash my carrots, make sure they are free from dirt, and then we'll bring it right back. I'm going to let this air dry for some time because we're not going to be grating them while they are wet. So I'll just let them rest for a while and then bring them back when they're a bit dry. So here is our carrot, and we're not peeling off the skin because they're already free from dirt. So I'm just cutting off the edge, and I'm going to use the smallest part of the grater to grate the carrots so we can get the tiniest shred. And then when I am done grating and I've had enough that I want, I'm just going to get a jar, a clean jar and a dry jar. And you just have to make sure your jar is dry because we're making oils and we do not want water to be found in it. So I'm just going to transfer my grated carrots into my jar. And then I'm going to be using olive oil for the extract. So I'm going to fill the jar just above the carrot. Just above the carrot. I'm not going to fill it too much else. You're just going to get less carrots and more olive oil. So I just gave it a fine stir and covered, and then I'm going to set it aside in a cool place for some time. So here is after 2 days of keeping the carrot aside, and as you can see, the olive oil is already turning orange. That means it's already turning to the color of the carrot. So I'm just going to give it a gentle stir. Please don't shake or stir vigorously because the carrot has its own food apart from its oil being extracted, so that the food doesn't just go into the oil as well. I'm going to set aside again, and then I bring back in 5 days. So here is 5 days after sieving my carrots, my oil and my carrot. I'm just go ahead to sieve with a cloth. I'm going to sieve this out with a cloth. If you use a filter or a sieve, some of the particles of the carrot may go in with the oil. So I'm just going to use a cloth. As you can see, the color of our oil is no longer the color of the olive oil, and it has changed. And I wouldn't advise that you press your cloth. Please just allow the oil to flow into the jar, because if you press it, you're going to have the food, you're going to have carrot food in it, in your oil, which would not be too nice. And also, do not save your oils for more than 5 days because it's going to start having some smell that you may not like. It's going to have some smell that is unlike carrot oil smell. So do not save more than 5 days, and do not press in your food into the oil. So that's that for our DIY cold pressed carrot oil. You can check out the hot pressed carrot oil here on my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell, and follow us on all our social media platforms. I'll see you in my next video.